What is up, my fellow yarn besties? My name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter, or in the knitting world, I am known as the Nifty Knitter. So if you're new to the channel and watching my videos for the first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you like what you see here and like this video and subscribe to the channel. As if you do so, you will get a lot more informative and fun content. And for those of you who are returning viewers and or loyal subscribers to the channel, thank you for coming back, as I always appreciate your patronage. So today is my third video in the Crochet Month Challenge for 2026. So I thought, and I am going to go with today to show you all my current whips that I have. I have two of them going on right now. So one is a crocheted whip and one is a knitting whip. So I think I will show you the knitting whip first. So, and you may have seen this in my shorts and whatnot, my other shorts and everything. Let me go ahead and fix this real quick because it's on the needle. So I'm going to go ahead and... Alright, out this way. Alright, so this is for the... It's from Red Heart. The pattern's from Red Heart. And it is for the Easy Triangular Laced Shawl. And I am currently on, I just finished row 110, so I have 24 more rows to do before I finish it off. So this is what it looks like so far. And I notice that stitch work, most of these are all knit stitches and purl stitches, and you notice the nice little lacy design for this project. And again, I've used Baja Blue Ombre yarn for this project. So far it's coming along. So I am really proud of this work since I haven't knitted in forever. And I'm going to work on this some more later on. And then hopefully I have that finished by next week. So then the second whip I am currently working on, my crocheted whip. And for those of you who had tuned into my live stream and saw me working on this, started on this 2 weeks ago. This is for, let's see, make sure I get the right side. And then I have on the hook too. And this is for the Daisy yarn, with the Daisy Bouquet Lapghan. And right now yesterday I just finished the base white round. I am now starting on the round where the leaves are going to go. So I got to do one round of all double crochets around it. And then the next round, I am going to be doing the leaf stitches for that. And then once I get that done, then I'll have to make the flowers and the buttons for it and then put everything together. And hopefully I will have this done next week. So, and then I also posted a video tutorial about how to do the wrap double crochet stitches, which is where for these spaces up here in the project, if you decide to do the bouquet lapghan, I posted that video so y'all can learn that stitch when the time comes for you to work it. So again, hopefully I have this done next week. So those are my current whips for right now, and so I'm sure I'm going to have a lot more in the future, so I can check that tick off the list for the current whips. So there are other ones too that for that challenge I'm going to do, so stay tuned for those. So alright, so hope everyone's day is going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks, grab that yarn, and create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Love each other, help each other out, be there for one another, be kind to one another, pay it forward if possible. Love yourself because you're the most important person in the universe. Stay true to yourself and don't let anyone deter you from your path, no matter what they say. And stay on top of your mental health because good mental health is very important any time of the year. And the weather here is rainy and crappy outside, so it was really foggy this morning up here in Akron, Ohio. So I don't know how the weather is y'all's way, but right now it's rainy and crappy out. So, but this Saturday, well, this coming weekend is supposed to be almost 70, so it's gonna be a heat wave. But again, rain. So anyway, that's all I have for the day, y'all. So on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.